reality check. Where does your money go once you get your salary hits your bank account and once you get your income on your bank account? Okay, so now most people they stay broke because they don't earn. It's not that they don't earn enough or more, but they broke that they do not know where their money goes. So there is no proper analysis. So this video is all about the awareness. And if you feel like that your salary vanishes shortly, that after being credited into your bank account, then today we are going to see how this money snapshot, which I'm going to give you, that's there in the description, and you will understand how the monthly money is flowing into your account and it's going out of your. Now you have to assume that you are getting your monthly income after taxes if you are a business person, or if you are a salaried person, it's after deductions you will get your monthly income, that is your uh, uh, on hand salary. Yeah. Okay. So this monthly income, you have to deduct the monthly income minus your fixed expenses. What are the fixed expenses? Which is the rent or the EMI for a home loan or an EMI for your car, your insurance, and your other bills. And the variable expenses. Okay, minus your variable expenses, which is your food. You go out for a restaurant, dinner, lunch, or any party, any traveling, shopping, or for entertainment, movie. So these comes under the variable expenses. And what's left behind in this account is either the savings or the debt. So this video is not about budgeting, and it's about you are getting your real numbers based on your expenses. Okay. A personal experience of spending more on food deliveries or subscriptions than on investments. These are the things which you need to consciously take care. And this you have to think about how you have to realize this as a wake up call to see your numbers clearly so you can take control of where your expenses, your money is going as an expenses. Now, let's focus on conscious spending and reallocating your money to important areas like investing and your future freedom. Now, let me give you an assignment, which I call it as a money mirror, where I have given in the description and you can go download it and you can enter these earnings, your spends, and what is left in the account. And you have to be honest, because when you are honest among with you have to be honest within yourself. Okay, so when you get a clear picture, a clarity, your anxiety will clears. Okay, it will just fade away. And after filling this worksheet, and you can just share one sentence, which is whatever the thing which you spent more on. So write that I realized I spent more on space than I thought. So the space can be filled. Example, you have spent more on shopping, or you have spent more on the expense, or you have spent more on any travel expenses. So what is that? You have realized that you have spent more than you thought. You may have a budget of 10,000 for your vacation or for your travel, but unfortunately, more than that you could have spent. So put it in the space and write it down and leave it in the write in the comment section. But when you do this, it normalize your money discussion. So you will be comfortable discussing about the money, and it also shows other people an eye opening by based on when they see your comments, it will be an eye opener for them. So they will also realize, oh yes, I would have also done this. I could have not done this henceforth. So this will share other similar experience. So when other people share their experience, you will get some insight out of that. And when you share your experience and your thoughts, that will give a mind blown or an insight to the other people. So you can download and fill in the form, fill these worksheet, download it and make a copy of it and fill it and use it for your other month expenses and how you want to take forward henceforth from now on. So you have to make a note on your monthly income, your fixed expenses, your variable expenses, and what is in surplus, whether it is a surplus or if it is a savings or if it is a debt or deficit. And now you can answer these questions and share in the comments. So without sharing your comment, without sharing this in the comment section, please do not move to the next video. Do this